jiving all night long. Little doll got a feeling something's wrong. Cause it ain't right to wanna keep on dancing. There won't be any time left for romancing. Come outside, come outside. There's a lovely moon out there. Come outside, come outside, while we got time to spare. Say there, darling, how about a date? Let's go round the coffee bar. I know one that ain't too far. Say there, darling, won't you come along? Do just what I tell you and you can't go wrong. Oh, will you let me take you walking?
Will I what?
Will you let me hold your hand then?
Will I what?
I will tell you what me game is if you tell me what your name is, will ya?
I will now.
Please don't think. There's one thing that I like. It's a burner on my bike. A burner with a bird up on my bike.
Hi, this is Steve Price. And on my show, Good Times Classic Gold, next Wednesday night at 8 o'clock, I've got a special for you with Mike San. Just for kicks and come outside were just a couple of his hits from the early 60s. Mike's my special guest next Wednesday on Good Times Classic Gold.
When my bird decides to turn up, I'm off to have a burner with a bird up on my bike. When I pass a little scooter.